Hello, this is the report about reliability by Angela T. Montejo and Nicole Faith Neri. So the first question we have to answer is, what is reliability? Reliability is the degree of consistency with which an instrument repeatedly measures the variable it is designed to measure. True reliability is necessary to have high validity. It can also be simply defined as the consistency of a measure. It is very important to make sure that your research tool is reliable to be able to gain good results for your research as well. Reliability is also closely coordinated with validity. Validity is simply defined as the accuracy of a measure. So reliability is consistency and validity is simply accuracy. The two of them should go hand in hand for us to be able to have an effective tool for our research. But for today, let us focus more on reliability. Our essential question for reliability is how consistently a method measures something. Reliability is all about consistency. So consistency is the key word or the root main word for this topic. If the results of your tool is not consistent, then you have to check its reliability. So again, our essential question is, how consistently a method measures something. So how is reliability assessed? We should know how to assess reliability for us to have good use of our tools and create an effective research paper, which is the main goal for making a research. There are three types of reliability. First, stability across time, inter-rater reliability, and internal consistency. Let us take a look on each one of them and know how to check our tool's reliability as well. The first type of reliability is stability across time. It is measured using the test-retest approach. Measurement is taken at one point in time and then repeated using the same situation, instrument, etc. at the second point in time. This is a clear way of showing consistency. It is a good way to know if you are still getting the same results after some time for a retake for your participants. So the main question for this type of reliability is, do you get the same results when you repeat the measurement? It can also be called the test-retest reliability. The important point for this one is that there will be no change in the quality or construct being measured. So there will still be consistency. The second type is inter-rater reliability, the degree to which two or more evaluators agree on the measurement obtained. This type addresses the issue of consistency of the implementation of a rating system. The opposite of this one is intra-rater reliability, which is a score of the consistency in ratings given by the same person across time. So the important question to think of is, do you get the same results when different people conduct the same measurement? Which is quite self-explanatory. Last would be internal consistency. The consistency of the measurement itself. The degree to which items on a questionnaire or a psychological scale are consistent with with each other. It is also a way to gauge how well a test or survey is actually measuring what you want it to measure. Main question for this one is, do you get the same results from different parts of a test that are designed to measure the same thing? So basically, this is more about the consistency of your scale if it's still within your construct. So to review, the three types of reliability are stability across time. Measurement should still be consistent even after some time it was first taken. Inter-rater reliability, having the same results after another researcher uses the tool. And lastly, internal consistency. The measurement tool must measure what it should measure. Last part would be threats to research reliability. So threats are pretty normal with any situation. So it's best that we already know the possible threats and how to avoid them. First would be participant's error. Any factor adversely alters the way in which the participant performs. Second, participant's bias. Any factor which produces a false response. Third, research error. Any factor which alters the researcher's interpretation. And lastly, research bias. Any factor which induces bias in the researcher's recording of responses. So that's it for our report on reliability. We hope we were able to share some knowledge with you. PowerPoint presentation by Ms. Angela Monteo and voiceover by Nicole Faith Neri. Thank you very much and Godspeed.